How to report a lost or stolen Bank of America card. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering and wanting to do so, you may follow up these steps. So, if your own card is lost and if you would like to report it, what you may do is you may go ahead and access of a new device and head over to the website or the application of Bank of America. After that, you may just go ahead and log in by tapping on the login option on your screen and use your credentials in order to log in into your account. Now that you are logged in into Bank of America application, you may head over to credit card or debit card section. And from that section, you may just go ahead and locate up an area where you will be finding an option to report for lost or stolen card. You just need to locate up that option on your screen and tap on it. After that, follow the prompts and you may just go ahead and report your account. Or there are different other methods available as well. You can request for a physical debit card. You can order for a replacement card. You can look out for that option. You need to wait for your physical debit card to arrive in the mail. Start using a digital card immediately. For that, you can have immediate access to your money with your digital card for debit available in your mobile banking app. You can look out for these three ways to activate your new debit card. You can call to this particular number. You can easily find that in the Bank of America website. You can look out for those options available for the Bank of America bank. After that, use it with your current PIN to make purchase or any bank service of American ATM, and you can log into online banking or mobile banking. Or if you've or you can sign in into online banking as I told earlier, or you can even contact them directly. You can look out for their contact service available in the internet, and that way you can just go ahead and report for the lost or stolen card of your Bank of America. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method and let us know if that works. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.